Hello everyone. Hope you find both JEE salt paper part 1. This is part 2. Here in this I will explain next 50 questions. Which of the following instrument is used to measure the ambient dust levels in the laboratories air quality meter? Next, ISO slash IT 17025 2017 accredited lab should maintain current job descriptions and responsibility for managerial, technical, and key support personnel involved in the test. The ISO standard, which number in thousands are published by the uh, uh, ISO's International Organization for Standardization. Next one, the property of the result of a measurement or value of a standard whereby it can be related to the stated reference, usually national or international standards, through an unbroken chain of comparisons. All of this stated uncertainties is called as traceabilities. Next, which of the following has a strong influence on the variation of the laboratory's air density is humidity. Next one is the 10 dilution of E. coli is made by aesthetically adding 1 ml of bacterial to 9 ml of buffered peptone water. Then the 1 ml measured is used using a class A sterile pipette. Next one, which of the following is the most potential dangerous aspect of the distillation is the exothermic nature of a reaction. Next, the CAS registry of a chemical is a unique identifying number for the each chemical. Next one, the quality standard for the laboratory accreditation body in the India National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, New Delhi is here. And this ISO 9000 is related to quality. ISO 50000 is not related to quality or something. And the ISO 17011 is also not related to food laboratories or reference laboratories. So none of the above is the correct answer. Next one, which of these statements is false with respect to the test equipment of a lab that complies with ISO/IEC 17025 is own and control of all equipments that uses is a false statement. Next, a Class A fire extinguisher can be used to treat the fires involving ordinary combustible like wood, plastic, etc. as a fuel source. Next one, the first artificial sweetening agent used in the food was saccharin. Next, the jams, jellies, and preserves can be preserved by adding sugar at the concentration of at least 65%. Which of the following set of gaseous composition is controlled during the controlled atmospheric storages CO2 plus N2? Which of the following methods is a quick test for sugar content during the earlier stages of the brewing for the beer is Babcock test? And the extent to which migration occurs in the food depends upon the following is it depends upon all the parameters like physicochemical properties of the migrant, temperature, and storage time. Irradiation process is measured in terms of kilogray. If rad is Q, it will also come. Why salt is used as a preservative meat? It reduces the moisture content to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Next one, postmortem changes in the fish are due to autolysis. When a food containing protein is cooked, there is an irreversible change in the structure of a protein. This change is called as denaturation. Next one, a trademark is a brand that is given legal protection because under the law and it has been approved by one seller. Recreation is also refers to as vacuum pasteurization. Next one, forced air cooling is a rapid cooling method. This one for 74, I am not able to find the answer. If anyone found the answer, please post in the comment. Next one, the paper made from acid treated pulp passed through sulfuric acid bath is known as kraft paper. Next, which of the following oligosaccharide contains alpha linked sugars and it is digestible by humans is raffinose? Next, which of the following physiologically important class of metabolites produced by the bacterial fermentation of non-digestible carbohydrates in the intestine is bile acid. Next one, the synthetic form of vitamin K is known as menadonine. And here, menaquinone is known as K2, and then phylloquinone is known as K1, and then and then menadonine is known as K3. Next one, an essential component of the mitochondrial electron transport system for naturally acquiring in the body is coenzyme Q10. Which of the following foods can be designed as a food for special health use is an isotonic sports drink? Next, which of the vitamins acts as an methyl group donor for the reconversion of homocysteine to methionine is folate? Next, which among the following is an intervention study is a randomized controlled trial test? Here, the cohort study and then case control study are observational study types. Next, the major macronutrient needed to build and maintain the structural component of the body is protein. Next, a patient with gastric resection may need supplement of vitamin B12. Next, the zymogen of the enzyme trypsin is found in the pancreatic juice. The average energy content of one banana is 105 kilocalories. What is the energy content in kilojoule? Here you have to multiply the 105 into 4.18. The correct answer is 438.9. So the approximately the correct answer is 439. Next one, the practice of mixing two different classes of dietary protein so that the deficits in one are balanced by the surplus in other is known as protein complementation. Next one, a 3000 mg sodium diet has approximately how many milli equivalent of sodium? Here, to find the milli equivalent, you have to divide the given weight, that is 3000 mg, divided by the atomic weight into valency. Here the atomic weight of sodium is 11 and then valency is 1. So the correct answer is 130. Next one, lingual lipase is secreted by tongue. Next one, in which of the following reactions does riboflavin participate as FAD is the conversion of succinate to fumarate in the TCA cycle? It is a step in the Krebs cycle. Next one, in IgE mediated allergic reactions to food, binding of the allergen to the mast cell triggers the release of histamine. In which of the following statement describes the nutrient density of your food is the consume the food that have most nutrient for their calories? Next, which of the following statement is incorrect is beriberi is a major symptom of vitamin B2 deficiency. It is wrong. Beriberi is a symptom of vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Next one, over the course of 24 hours, diet-induced thermogenesis account for roughly what percentage of individual's total energy expenditure is 10%. Next one, the most biologically active form of vitamin E is aldrich alpha tocopherol. Next, which of the following has a reducing property is glucuronic acid? Next, which of the following is a polysaccharide from the animal source? Animal source is chitin. Next, the starch, inulin, cellulose are all plant sources. Next, which of the following is unsaturated fatty acid is linoleic acid. Next one, when Benedict solution and a simple carbohydrate are heated, then the solution changes to orange red or brick red. This reaction is caused by the dash property, the reducing property of the simple carbohydrate. Next, vinegar is a dilute solution of acetic acid. As I said before, the above All questions are my attempt to that questions. ஸோ இது வந்து அஃபிஷியல் ஆன்சர் கிடையாது. ஸோ இன்கேஸ் ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக் இருந்ததுனாலும் நீங்க கமெண்ட்ல சொல்லுங்க. நான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு தயார். ஸோ இப்போ வந்து இன்கேஸ் இஃப் யூ லைக் திஸ் வீடியோ, இஃப் யூ ஃபவுண்ட் இட் யூஸ்ஃபுல், ப்ளீஸ் ஷேர் இட் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ளீஸ் லைக், ஷேர் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப். இந்த மாதிரி நான் நிறைய கண்டென்ட்ஸ் வந்து போஸ்ட் பண்றேன் அப்கமிங் வீக்ஸ்ல. ஸோ வந்து சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பெல் ஐக்கான் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாத்தையுமே கிளிக் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வந்தா அப்பதான் உங்களால பார்த்து இது பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். எல்லாரும் நல்லா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க.